We began by teaching skills in Pashto and Urdu, and now we're excited to teach in English too, with subtitles in your language. Anyone can learn. Now we're also teaching advanced level fashion designing in English. And for your love, we created Asyans, a unique, customizable brand just for you. Follow us, stitch with us, and create with us. Asyans, where culture meets creativity.
Welcome to the embroidery class with Asyan. Here we have the materials needed for the stitch. Embroidery hook, needles, piece of fabric, colorful threads, carbon paper. We will take an 18-inch thread and tie a knot. Now we will fix the fabric in the hook so that it does not move. Next, we will draw the desired design in the center of the fabric. We will use red color thread, so bring the needle up at point 1. Swap the thread around the needle 2 to 3 times. Insert the needle back close to point 1, not in the same hole. Hold the thread tight and pull the needle through slowly. Now we make other.
Thank you for watching Asyans, where culture meets creativity. Subscribe now and join our journey of handmade elegance.